to draw the lucky 5 winners who nominated to do Martin Geddes' blacksmithing class on the 4th of September. We've numbered everybody's name. You can see the names on the board. We've put some tickets with the numbers on into this box, and our president, Hugh Taylor, is about to draw the first lucky person's number.
One last spin. One and 3.
Only one. What number did you draw?
Drew number 61.
61, that's Claire Inwood. Congratulations, Claire, you'll get an email soon.
Another tumble. Drew number 2. Number 27.
27 is Nathan May. Congratulations, Nathan.
Third one is number 44.
44, Charlie Power.
Double 4.
Well done, Charlie.